Good morning. Welcome to day 92 of day trading the market open with a small account. Day trading the stock market open with a small account. Good morning. Let's see what we got going on. We got the stock market open in about 40 seconds. Not a lot of action going on. We got some nice percentage movers, but not a lot of action, meaning we don't really have a great setup at all. What are we going to do? What are we going to do here? All right, that's game time. Time to play ball. See what we got moving here. RELI, what are you gonna do? SLRX, what are you gonna do? Let's just see. Everything looking pretty gross. Qs are down 0.33%. SLRX getting a red candle. Oh, here we go. RELI. Nice. Give us something to cheer for. Give us something to cheer for, bud. Maybe not. I was going to say low volume there. Interesting. 142 to 151. All right, SLRX. Let's see what happens here. I think it just drops. Look at that. You see how it just dropped? Dropped to 41. Where's halt down? 103 for SLRX. So let's not get too concerned there. Let's flip our scanners. CERO, too expensive. RBNE, too expensive. I need SLRX halt down to move, and then I need a flush down. All right, 2 seconds. Back. But don't worry, nothing's happened. Alright, $24 too expensive. Man, all this stuff is just too expensive. So we can see if this comes off its floor from 140 to 148. Halt down, move to 101 for SLRX. Not enough volume in RELI to really feel comfortable for me. Penny stock. Penny stock could bear trap, but it's in a range. 54 to 60 here. PCSA. Oh, it's trying to halt down. Might false halt. Getting bought up. Bought up. It's a halt down at 40 cents. Do we want to buy that false halt? I don't think so. I don't think so. I could have. I mean, it was only 46 bucks. SLRX. Halt down's now at $1. Halt down for PCSA moved down to 37 cents. That bounce ended up being fairly decent. Let's go back to RELI. This thing is, ooh, PCSA. Do we think RELI is going to pop again here? 147, the top of that wick. As you can see, compared to the other one, I mean, this thing's not even moving at all. Look, we got nothing moving. Oh no, PCSA, we missed a lower band. Ah, that's a shame. That's a shame. That was an opportunity missed. Let's see if it does it on SLRX. Halt down is like right on top of this lower band here. Let's keep cruising through some of these other stocks. Maybe we're gonna have to trade something expensive today. CERO trying to keep its head above VWAP water. SLRX. RBNE. I guess RBNE is not really that expensive. It looks slow. RELI still just nothing moving. Hammer on SLRX. We're gonna get a curl here on INEO. Could risk about 30 bucks here to. That's trash. Don't even think about it. Just because it worked out yesterday, don't even think about it. Well, this one's buzzing. Maybe we just stick to watching this one for now. It's SRM up to today. Got a little bit of a wall right here. These stocks are slim pickings today. Decent percentage movers, but setups are thin at the stock market open. That's LRX starting to slow down also. See what happens is that buyer's getting eaten. Okay, PCSA trying to get over VWAP and over that, not VWAP, EMA, and over that little wall I was just talking about. Can use that wall as, let's use that wall as a base. See if it grabs some legs here, and if not, no problem, we gave it a shot. So that at like 47 maybe. There's 47. All right, small red trade. No harm, no foul. One can get rid of now. I was gonna try to ride that back to VWAP, and it looks like this is gonna hammer, so it looks like it might take out 50 here. Might try it again. No. Let's wait for something better. And that's decent range for a penny stock, though. All right, inverted hammer. Let's see if it takes out 50. Halt down's 31, so well under lower band, which is nice. If it decides to come on down. Okay, speeding up to the downside here. Needed to get kind of wicked. It has to drop like 10 cents, which is big for this stock. It's like 30%. SRM, trying to curl. Yesterday's mover. I really need SLRX to fall out. This would be probably, here we go. Come on down, buddy. Come on down. 103, you gotta break one. 103. You got another 30 seconds to keep, oh, garbage. Okay, PCSA and SLRX candle looking nasty again. Give me something here. PCSA trying to break 50. VWAP's at 52. Not gonna play that 2-cent range like I tried before. Not the greatest risk to reward. SLRX is looking gross. Is he gonna bear trap or what? 52 to 60. CERO. Come on, something give me something. What about CERO? How many shares can I take on this? Not enough. This is tough. Tough trading today. Tough trading if you got a small cash account in the stock market like me. See what happens with MACD over here on SLRX. We might try something similar to yesterday. Alright, little Picasso looking stock, PCSA. Got another 30 seconds. Your halt down's at 33. Oh, you're getting bought up again. Interesting. Mm, 47. Inverted hammer. The whole thing got bought up. CERO beasting over here. Beast mode. SLRX is looking ripe. Looking ripe for a flush down, but like, come on. Let's get it over with. Get it over with. Yeah, I mean, is this MACD gonna curl? It looks like it's trying to make a little scoop. It's got so much longer to go though. I mean, we could try to play EMA, that similar situation we just lost on. It would be right about now. Ooh, good thing. A little fake out above EMA. But no flush after. These dailies look like for PS or PCSA. Pretty gnarly, but we got to bounce off the 100-day moving average today. It's at 30, yeah, right down here. Okay. PCSA, I mean, it's trying. It is trying. These little wicks are getting bought up too. Let's keep that in mind. Let's just keep that in mind. Let's wait a little bit more. Play some VWAP action. SLRX is still trying to like get this curl going on. Okay, PCSA. 1 minute to make a new high. That's the first successful one, I guess, since right here. Let's see if it comes back and tests 50. VWAP still at about a little over 52. I think we're going to look to a punch through VWAP, and then we're not going to play the initial break. We're not going to play the initial break. What was the high, though? 69 cents. And then we have SLRX that's trying to just figure out its way over here. All right. Testing this lower channel. PCSA. Breaking down, breaking down. Need a pretty good flush out of it, though. What do you think? Play this 105. There's just no volume over here on SLRX. Here we go. Maybe we play 110 and then use EMA. It's just a little whippy right now. Feels like it wants to curl, though, doesn't it? Let's not try to predict anything. Let's just play the chart. 105, we take out 110, 111. Feels like we got something going on over here at SLRX. It's going to be one of these that I have to play very similarly to yesterday. Just hold it for a long time, though. Alright, the trend line broke down on PCSA. Green candle, 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles in a row for SLRX. 3 cent to EMA. Wow, so much garbage area. Let's give it a shot and use 110 as a... Oh, yeah, of course. Use 110 as a sell area. Of course you're going to try to tick me up there, huh? Okay, actually we'll use EMA. Where is EMA? Where are you? $20 seconds until a new minute. Not the greatest looking candle. New minute, there's EMA, found it. So under 109 is going to have to be a sell. So if I see 108 on the bid, I'm going to have to try to jump. This is a day that I probably should have just stayed off the trigger. I mean, this is silly to take a... This is going to be a $40, $50 L here if it slips under 109. There's 108. Jump, jump, jump. Yeah, 40 plus 50. I mean, a $50 L on a day that nothing's happening is silly. Absolutely silly. Backside trading. Just because it worked yesterday doesn't mean it's going to work today. Still got cheddar left, though. Still got cheddar left. Oh, Garbage little stock. Garbage little stock. Low volume though. Let's see if it sticks. Let's see if it sticks. This one ended up being nice. Nice breakout there for the more expensive traders. 7 to 9. Beautiful. Oh, with 2 halt ups? Very nice. Let's see if it takes out this wick here at 113. Up there it goes, 115. What to do, what to do, what to do. Okay. Red volume looking a little thin over here on SLRX. All right, Picasso. See what you're gonna do. Your wick here is at what? 53. If you get over 53, what happens? It's been a slow move back to VWAP. Okay. LDMA. SLRX back to EMA. I wonder if it does a similar setup like it did right here. Looks like I bottom ticked that. That's ugly. I got out at 108, but I think my max loss was set at 10. No, I got out at 109. I think my max loss was set at 108. My mental. If I saw 108 on the bids and that thing, look at that, ticked right off of 108. It's annoying. Right here. Doop, 108. But, you know, didn't want to risk the flush under VWAP. That'd be nasty. HUSA. All right. Picasso over 50. All right, look for the retracement back to EMA. Backside trading, risky trading, that's okay. We're here for it today. It's halt up 64, plenty of space. 15 seconds until a new minute. 13, 12. Ooh, a lot of green at 51, not moving it. Some hidden sellers there at 51. Ooh, hidden sellers broke. All right, that's a break of VWAP. That's a break of VWAP. Interesting. That moved quicker than I thought. I thought I was going to retest EMA here at near 49. Holy smokes. Ladies and gentlemen, we got to get on our horse here before this opportunity leaves. Looking for an entry, looking for an entry, looking for an entry. We got issues up here near 61. 30 seconds until a new minute. This thing is bossing right now. Oh, I gotta get my zoom right. Should have had all this done before. Should have had all that done before. All that time I was just sitting around. All right, we ready. 2, 1, new minute. Come back down to VWAP. Oh, wouldn't that be a treat? Wouldn't that be a treat? Okay, it's kind of up here in no man's land for now. All right, just in case it was gonna come down, I was trying to go fishing there. Get that stock on the cheap. 56 to that 52. 56, 56, 56. 10 seconds until in a minute. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. 1 minute to make a new high is going to be up at 58, but we got problems at about 61. Got to keep that in mind. There's an attempt at a 1 minute to make a new high. Attempting it now, attempting it now, attempting it now. Struggling. Not anymore. Clean move, clean move. The candle looks strong. Coming up through the daily resistance. Sellers, stack of sellers there at 61. On top of that daily resistance level. Okay. Oh, I was going to say that's an ugly candle. Ugly candle just got bought and made it a semi-ugly candle. What's going to happen here? I'm still in no man's land between VWAP and this daily level. Okay. VWAP at about 52 cents. What a boss move through VWAP that was. For a penny stock, I mean, huge. Very nice move. Okay, see if this candle breaks down. $56. It's gonna bull flag on us. 56. Buyer got eaten at 56. There's 55. Let's try to go fishing here in case it comes down. Nope, no love, no love, no love. Bounce off EMA for now. What are we risking if we do EMA? 20 cents, 20 more cents. Okay. Idea here is that bull flag breakout. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Into a halt up. Chips ahoy for your boy. Wow, son. Dang, son, where'd you find this track? We ended up going red $1. $1 red trade today. Or $1 red day today. I guess we could fire again at this one. AT Slater, you're clear to engage. Fire at will. Yeah, good. Sure could. Should have just been patient instead of trading this garbage over here. Absolute garbage. That was a beautiful trade, though. Played the 1 minute to make a new high right above this for that bull flag breakout. Whoo-wee! That's textbook right there, ladies and gentlemen. Man, felt good. Small trade, but, you know, felt like I just took home the title. The heavyweight champion of the world. Front side, turquoise front side. That's a trade right there. That's a trade, and being able to recognize that, we are getting dangerously close to adding money back into this account. Dangerously close. Okay, what now? Okay, is it going to go again? 71, 72, 72. It's bumping its head on that ceiling. Stock market. The stock is bumping its head on the ceiling. Right there. Bump, bump, bump. A lot of green. There's a break. See if it holds. Is it going to go? Is it going to go? Is it going to go? Probably should have went already. There's a move. There's a well, I guess a 1 cent move. Wasn't great. Is this thing gonna go or what? Well, this is a long trading session today, huh? For me. $72. EMA's at 65. Buyer getting eaten at 71. Now it's holding. Now it's getting eaten. Now it held. Okay. Oh, garbage. I hit that sell button. Like, I hit the buy button, and then I hit the sell button right after the buy button, and it got me out for a loss. That is trash. That was trash. But that's going to be all I have for today, unfortunately. I wanted to just end green. That's why I hit that buy button. I hit the sell button right after I was green. But it gave me a absolute garbage price. And that's what happens when you pay for, or when you don't pay for a broker. That's all right. So we're red. $10 on the day today. But that was fun. We got some good trades in. Got some good trades under our belt. But I'm out of here. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know how you guys did. Spread love. Be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.